how to turn on or off notifications for a specific post in Nextdoor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off notifications for a specific post in Nextdoor. Let's get started. You need to open up your browser and then head over to nextdoor.com. Go to your profile in the top right and then tap on view profile. Now you'll need to go to settings in the left hand side and go to notification settings. And there you can see post, tap on it. And now here you can see general post, recommendation post, lost and found posts, safety post, local news, and many more. So you can see the toggle. You can just tap on it to turn it off. And then you can tap on it again to turn it on. So it's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.